Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by building a single task hub so everything lives in one place. Create a notebook called Tasks, then add 4 sections: Inbox, Active, Waiting, and Archive. Once done, make a page per project and prefix titles with the date for sorting. Use quick notes to capture duty items immediately, tag them as to do. Sync now to avoid conflicts. This gets you into a habit of collecting before organizing, which prevents lost tasks and gives a clear starting point. Next, turn captured notes into actionable items by creating checklists and applying tags: priority, to-do, and waiting. Once done, assign due dates and categorize by high, medium, or low priority so you know what to tackle first. Use subpages or a simple table to group related tasks under each project and move completed items to archive daily. Make sure to sync and review today's active section every morning. That keeps your focus tight and prevents backlog growth. Finish by committing to a daily execution rhythm. Open active, work top to bottom on high priorities, check items off, and move milestones to archive. Once done each week, perform a review, reorder priorities, clear waiting items into active or archive, and update due dates. If you use Outlook integration, confirm tasks sync both ways. One key troubleshooting tip: if notes disappear or conflicts occur, force a resync and clear OneNote cache. That resolves most missing note issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.